Hello everybody, Jan Hendrik Viljoen here. Today I want to discuss with you pickle pots and pickling solutions and what in my opinion is the safest of them all to use. What I commonly use in my pickle pot is a substance called tartaric acid. Now tartaric acid is commonly used to make sweets and tarts, giving a tangy taste. Also sherbet is a common ingredient to make sherbet. So you would find it in your grocery store in the food aisle. I like to use approximately 1 heaped tablespoon of tartaric acid per liter of water for my pickle solution. It's not very critical that you are super accurate with the measurement. Just don't overdo it. Roughly 1 heaped tablespoon. Just throw it in your pickle pot with the water. You can stir it a little bit to dissolve the solution, to dissolve the powder. It dissolves quite easily, quite fast. And there you go, ready to work. My pickle pot of choice would be this, a slow cooker, also known as a crock pot. It's got usually 2 settings, either high or low. This one's got an additional setting of auto. If I use my pickle pot in the mornings when I get to work, I like to set it on high just to kickstart it for the first hour. After that, I would set the setting to low, and that's on that setting it stays on for the duration of the work day. End of the work day, just switch it back off. In general, to determine the water mark, you will see after a while your pickle pot will develop water rings or marks where the water level used to be. So to top it up is very easy. Just top up water as it evaporates up to the upper level or the upper mark in your pickle pot. Knowing when the pickle has been spent or used up beyond the point of being effective anymore, it's very easy. You check the color of the liquid. If it's a slight green or bluish color, you know it's time to change it. If there's excessive sediment that settles on the bottom, as the case you can see here, then it would also be advisable to change the pickle solution. Usually topping up can be done by normal regular tap water. You can also use distilled water or deionized water. That's up to you, depending on the quality of water locally available to you. You might find in certain cases that your pickle solution is turning a brownish color. That is usually an indication that you have overheated the pickle solution for a period of time. It's also a good idea then to change the solution for fresh solution. The reason why I like to use tartaric acid is because it's completely safe to use, as it is used to make sweets and tarts and cold drinks. Other viable options to use would be a mixture of salt and vinegar. Although I don't like the salt and vinegar mixture, it's also safe to use, but it gives a vinegar smell in your workshop that lingers, so your shop smells like a fish and chip shop. That's not what I would want for my shop, so I prefer to use tartaric acid, just as safe without the smell. Thank you for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and tap that notification bell to be notified of all upcoming new videos. Have a good one.